Let's talk about India now. A major battle is underway in India, and this battle has a direct connection with your wallet. More specifically, the cards that you use. I'm talking about credit and debit cards. Visa is unhappy with the government of India. Do you know why? Because it backs RuPay over Visa. Even MasterCard has the same complaint. Both companies claim they don't get a level playing field in India, and they have sought a US government intervention. Are these complaints really about market access, or do these companies feel threatened by the competition? Here's a report.
Visa is a world leader in payments, but it is worried Visa's market leadership is being challenged. The contender is RuPay, India's very own payment system. In public, Visa has downplayed the rise of RuPay, but privately it has been complaining to the US government. Visa claims the Indian government's backing to RuPay is hurting its business. In August, Visa CEO Alfred Kelly met with the US Trade Representative Catherine Tai. The company feels it has been denied a level playing field in India. Visa's main rival, MasterCard, too has similar complaints. In 2018, they had lodged a protest against RuPay. Soon after that, India's Reserve Bank banned MasterCard. The reason was data. MasterCard did not make arrangements to store payments data in India, a rule that every payments company needs to follow for effective law enforcement. The Americans were unhappy. A senior US government official called the ban draconian, but the criticism failed to influence Indian regulators. Since its launch in 2014, RuPay has quickly gained a large share of the Indian market. Till November last year, more than 60% of the new cards issued were RuPay cards. But RuPay does not dominate the market. Visa has a 44% market share, while 36% of the card users have a MasterCard. RuPay and other cards control the remaining 20%. MasterCard's ban could change those numbers. So far, only Visa and RuPay comply with local data storage rules. So banks are forced to issue more Visa and RuPay cards. Visa wants to get ahead in the race, but for now, it has no option but to compete with RuPay in the Indian market. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.